Whether conducting assessment for learning or assessment of learning, a teacher must have sufficient proof of a student's learning. By using a process known as triangulation, teachers can obtain data of student learning from 3 different sources, thereby ensuring sufficient data is collected in order to evaluate student learning. These sources are conversations, observations, and products. By collecting data from multiple sources, teachers are able to verify the data they collect against each other, thus allowing them to gain an accurate portrayal of student progress. Using multiple sources of evidence also increases the reliability and validity of the evaluation of student learning. Student products may be in the form of tests or exams and/or assignments for evaluation. Assignments for evaluation may include rich performance tasks, demonstrations, projects, and/or essays. To ensure equity for all students, assignments for evaluation and tests or exams are to be completed whenever possible under the supervision of a teacher. Assignments for evaluation must not include ongoing homework that students do in order to consolidate their knowledge and skills or to prepare for the next class. Assignments for evaluation may involve group projects as long as each student's work within the group project is evaluated independently and assigned an individual mark as opposed to a common group mark. The evaluation of student learning is the responsibility of the teacher and must not include the judgment of the student or of the student's peers. Conversations take place during class meetings, individual or group conferences, when reading student self-assessments, and more when the teacher is listening to what students have to say about their learning. Observations take place during class time while students are involved in individual, pair, or group work. The teacher will circulate around the room and observe student learning. Observations can be documented using a checklist which outlines specifically what the teacher is looking for on that particular day, or anecdotal notes. The teacher simply makes written comments about what a student is doing, how they are working, which concepts the student has grasped, which concepts the student still struggles with, etc. In order to make this process worthwhile, the teacher may choose to only observe a small number of students in one class period. This way, the teacher can observe the selected students for longer periods of time during different activities, working with different concepts. The observation process is completed after the class has ended, with the teacher taking the checklist results or anecdotal notes and putting them into a file for each student. This process allows the teacher to track each student's progress over time in a much more effective and accurate manner. Finally, products refer to the tangible materials such as tests, tasks, or projects, and other assignments for evaluation used to determine student learning. These products are used as opportunities for the student to demonstrate what he or she is capable of doing at the end of a period of instruction. Triangulation is effective and accurate for determining student performance because it can show a teacher at what level a student most consistently performs. In addition, if the teacher sees that a student struggles in one area but does significantly better in the other 2 areas, that teacher can work more effectively with that student to bring their overall performance to a more consistent level.